Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Millions of seniors and people on disability are getting paid today, December 10th. Checks up to $5,108 are going out right now, and if you're waiting on yours, I'm going to tell you exactly when to check your bank account. Plus, the Social Security Administration is mailing out a critical letter this month that has 7 major updates for 2026, including how much your check is increasing in January. Stick around because some of these changes are going to surprise you. I'm Tony from Retirees Benefits, and I've been helping people navigate Social Security, Medicare, and benefits for over years. I started doing this work because I watched my own parents struggle to understand their benefits and miss out on money they were entitled to. Nobody should have to figure this out alone. That's why I'm here breaking it down in plain English, no government jargon. So here's how this works. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of any month, doesn't matter if it's January, July, or October, if the day you were born is between 1 and 10, you get paid on the second Wednesday of the month. That's today, December 10th. Check your bank account right now. If you're on Social Security Retirement or SSDI, and your birthday is between those dates, your money should be there. Now, here's the full December schedule for everyone else. December 1st, SSI recipients got paid. That already happened. December 3rd. Special category folks got paid. I'll explain who in a second. December 10th. That's today. Birthdays 1st through 10th. December 17th. Next week. Birthdays 11th through 20th. December 24th. Christmas Eve. Birthdays 21st through 31st. Now about that December 3rd group. This is important. You get paid on the 3rd of every month. If you live outside the United States, you receive both Social Security and SSI. Your state pays your Medicare premiums. You applied for Social Security before May 1997. If that's you, you already got your December payment. And listen, this is critical. If you're still waiting for a paper check in the mail, it's not coming. The government has stopped issuing paper checks for benefits. 5 million people are affected by this change. You have to switch to electronic payment. You've got 2 options. Option 1. Sign up for direct deposit to your bank account. Call Social Security. Option 2. Get the Direct Express debit card. It's a prepaid card specifically for government benefits. No bank account needed. Don't wait on this. If you're expecting a paper check and it never came, this is why. Now let's talk about those checks up to $5,108 that are going out. That's the maximum Social Security benefit, but most people aren't getting that. Let me break down who gets what. If you're retiring at age 70 and you paid the maximum into the system your whole working life, that's when you can get $5,108 a month. If you're retiring at full retirement age in 2025, that's age 67 for most people now, and you paid the max, you can get up to $4,018 a month. If you retired early at age 62 and paid the max, you're looking at $2,710 a month. But here's the reality. The average Social Security retirement benefit as of July 2025 is $1,925 a month. That's what most retirees are actually getting. For SSDI, disability, the average is even lower at around $1,586 a month. I want to talk directly to some of you watching right now, moms and caregivers. If you're getting survivor benefits because you lost a spouse, or if you're collecting on behalf of your children, you're on this same birthday payment schedule. Veterans. Many of you get both VA benefits and Social Security. Your VA check comes on the 1st, but Social Security follows this birthday schedule. Plan accordingly. People with disabilities. Whether you're on SSDI or SSI, knowing your exact payment date helps you schedule everything: medical appointments, prescription refills, rent, utilities. You're juggling a lot. This schedule is your planning tool. Seniors who applied before 1997, you're different. You get paid on the 3rd of every month regardless of your birthday. You already got your December money. SSI recipients. You've got something special happening this month. You're getting 2 checks in December. Stay with me, I'll explain. If you're on SSI Supplemental Security Income, you normally get paid on the 1st of every month. You already got your December payment on December 1st. But here's the thing. January 1st is a holiday, New Year's Day. Social Security doesn't pay on holidays. So your January payment is coming early, on December 31st, New Year's Eve. That means 2 SSI checks in December. One you already got. One is coming December 31st. Then nothing in January because you got it early. I'm telling you this so you don't spend both checks thinking you're suddenly rich. That second check has to last you through January. Budget accordingly. Now let's talk about that letter the Social Security Administration is mailing out this month. It's got 7 critical updates for 2026. Some of you have already gotten it. Some of you haven't. Either way, I'm going to tell you what's in it. This is the big one, your 2026 COLA increase. Here's what's happening. For retirement benefits, the average is going up by $56 to $1,981 a month. That's up from $1,925. For SSDI disability, the average is going up by $44 to $1,630 a month. That's up from $1,586. For SSI individuals, your maximum benefit is going up by $27 to $994 a month. That's up from $967. For SSI couples, your maximum is going up by $41 to $1,491 a month. That's up from $1,450. Now, before you get too excited, keep reading. There's more to this story. The maximum Social Security benefit you can get at full retirement age in 2026 is going up to $4,152 a month. That's up from $4,018. This only applies if you paid the absolute maximum into Social Security your entire working life. Most people won't see this, but it's good to know. If you're still working and paying into Social Security, here's what you need to know. In 2026, income up to $184,500 will be subject to Social Security taxes. That's up from $176,100. This doesn't affect most of us, but if you're making that kind of money, you're paying Social Security tax on a bigger chunk of your income. This one is critical if you're on disability. Pay attention. If you're on SSDI and you're not blind, you cannot make more than $1,690 a month in 2026. If you earn more than that, you risk losing your disability benefits. If you're blind, the limit is higher, minus $2,830 a month. If you're in your trial work period, that's when Social Security lets you test working. The threshold is $1,210 a month. Do not mess around with these numbers. Going over these limits can cost you your benefits. Here's where that COLA increase starts to disappear. Medicare Part B premiums are going up by 10% in 2026. You're going to pay $206 a month for Part B. That's up from $185 in 2025. That's an extra $21 a month coming straight out of your Social Security check. So remember that $56 increase for retirement benefits? Well, $21 of it is going to Medicare. Your real increase is only about $35 a month. That's the reality. If you're collecting Social Security but you haven't reached full retirement age yet, and you're still working, there's a limit to how much you can earn. In 2026, you can earn up to $24,480 without losing any benefits. That's up from $23,400. But here's the catch. For every $2 you earn over that limit, you lose $1 in benefits. So if you make $26,480, that's $2,000 over the limit. You lose $1,000 in Social Security benefits. Now, if 2026 is your full retirement age year, meaning you're turning 67, different rules apply. You can earn up to $65,160 or $5,430 a month without penalty. Above that, you lose $1 for every $3 you earn over the limit. Once you hit full retirement age, the earnings limit goes away completely. You can make as much as you want without affecting your benefits. This is official now. If you were born in 1960 or later, your full retirement age is 67, period. This matters because if you retire early at 62, your benefit is permanently reduced by about 30%. If you wait until 70, it increases by about 24%. The age you claim makes a huge difference in what you get for the rest of your life. Think carefully about this decision. Let me do the real math for you because the headlines don't tell the whole story. You're getting a $56 increase in your retirement benefit, but Medicare is taking $21 of that. Your real increase is $35 a month, about $420 for the year. For disability, you're getting $44 more. Medicare takes $21, you're really getting $23 extra a month. For SSI, if you're not on Medicare, you keep the full $27 increase. But if you are on Medicare, it's only $6 extra a month after premiums. I know that's disappointing. I know it doesn't cover your rent increase, or your grocery bill, or your medication costs. But I want you to know the real numbers so you can plan accordingly. If you expected a payment this month and it didn't come, and it's been 3 business days, here's what to do. Call the Social Security Administration. Yes, the wait time is terrible. Call early in the morning, around 8 a.m., or late in the afternoon, around 4 p.m. Those are the best times. There could be several reasons your payment didn't come. You might have an overpayment situation they're taking money back for. Your benefits might have been suspended for a specific reason. There could be a reporting issue, like if you're on disability and they think you're working, there might be a problem with your bank account information. Don't ignore it. Get it sorted out immediately. You can also make an appointment at your local Social Security office. Sometimes it's faster to go in person if you can. Let me give you action steps because information without action doesn't help anybody. 1. Check your bank account. If your birthday is 1st 10th, your money should be there today. 2. Sign up for a My Social Security account at ssa.gov if you don't have one. You can see your payment history, your benefit amount, and verify when payments are coming. 3. Watch your mail for that letter. When it comes, don't just throw it away. Read it. It's got your exact benefit amount for 2026. 4. Calculate your real increase after Medicare. Don't budget with the full COLA amount. Budget with what's actually hitting your account. 5. If you're on SSI, remember you're getting 2 checks in December. Don't blow through them. That second check has to last through January. 6. If you're still getting paper checks, switch to electronic payment this week. Don't wait. Call or go to your local office. I know I've given you a lot of tough reality today, but let me share some good news. That earnings limit I mentioned, it went up. If you're working while collecting Social Security, you can earn an extra $1,080 in 2026 without penalty. That's real money. Also, there are programs that can help supplement your Social Security. SNAP benefits, food stamps, LIHEAP for heating and cooling costs. State pharmaceutical assistance programs, Medicare extra help for prescription costs. Veterans benefits if you served. I've got videos on all of these programs. Check the playlist in the description. Some of these programs can put hundreds of dollars a month back in your pocket. And here's something people don't talk about enough. There are senior discounts everywhere. Grocery stores, restaurants, transportation, utilities, property taxes. You're leaving money on the table if you're not asking about senior discounts. I've got a whole video on that too. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat this. A $35 real increase doesn't fix the problem. It doesn't cover what everything costs now. I see your comments every day. I know seniors choosing between food and medicine. I know grandparents who can't help their grandkids. I know people rationing their prescriptions. This isn't right. You worked 40, 50 years. You paid into this system. You deserve better than $35 a month. But here's what I also know. You're survivors. You're problem solvers. You've been through hard times before and you figured it out. You're doing everything you can with what you have. And you're not alone. There are millions of us fighting to make this better. There are advocates working to increase benefits. There are programs designed to help. And there's this community right here. So to wrap this up, December 10th payments are going out today to people born between the 1st and 10th. The rest of December payments are December 17th and 24th. SSI folks are getting 2 checks in December. And that letter you're getting has 7 updates for 2026, most importantly, your new benefit amount starting in January. Your real increase after Medicare is smaller than the headlines say. But it's something, and we're going to help you maximize every other dollar you can get. If this breakdown helped you, hit that subscribe button. We post Social Security updates, Medicare news, and benefit guides every single week. This stuff changes constantly. You need to stay informed. Drop a comment and tell me, did you get your payment today? Have you received that letter yet? What's your biggest concern about the 2026 changes? I read every single comment. And do me a favor, share this with anyone you know who's on Social Security or disability, your friends, your parents, your neighbors. This information affects 67 million Americans. Let's make sure everyone knows what's happening. I'm putting a video on screen right now about other programs that can supplement your Social Security. And check out the playlist for Medicare changes you need to know about. Thanks for being here, friends. We're in this together. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.